Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a really cool text effect on Capcut. So press new project, and I'm just going to go to stock videos and select this white background and press add. I'm just going to then add in a text. You can of course make it say anything you want it to say, I guess. And then make sure you're able to see the text. I'm just going to write ocean. For mine, I'm just going to make the text a little bit big. You can also add in an animation if you'd like. Maybe the wave one. Or the wobbly one. Okay, I'm just going to select this one, press the checkmark button and export it. Press done, and you're going to open up a new project and select the sort of background you want. I'm just going to also change the format of the video. Maybe, let's say, okay, 16:9 maybe, oops. Go to overlay, add overlay, and add in that text video you just created, and press add. Make sure the whole thing fits. After that, you're just going to click on the overlay, go to splice, and select whichever one you'd like. Maybe this one, the overlay one, looks cool. You can also adjust the settings here. Press the checkmark button and you're done. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!